key part of making Syrian twist cheese is to melt the cheese. When you're melting the cheese, you want to use basically kind of a flat bowl with a lip. Now that I have all of the cheese cut, I'll just put it into a bowl for easier handling. I like to flavor my twist cheese with black caraway seeds. This is the traditional Syrian Sephardic way of making twist cheese. In Arabic, we call them haftel bedige, and you want to have about a teaspoon. The caraway seeds give it, the cheese, a really, really interesting flavor. Okay, and then I'm just mixing it up so that when I'm cooking it, the black caraway seeds will be in each and every piece. I take about a cup of the cheese, and again, this is mixed with the black caraway seeds, probably a little bit more than a cup. And then I'm going to microwave this for about a minute.